Hi, this is the Backwards Professor here, and this is going to be installment part 3 of my do-it-yourself Stratocaster kit that you buy on the internet for $89.91. Some of them you can get as low as $62 with $20 shipping. Some of them are $130, $190, depending on who you're buying it from, how much you want to wait. This one was $89.91. I've got all the components here pretty much assembled and ready to install. The neck has been cut out and I got my name on it, DB Guitars. The neck's already been prepared. As you can see, I got all the major components here to assemble it. Here's the pick guard that we got. That Anna picked out the colors for it. And there we go. Not all the screw holes line up, which I didn't expect it to. And there might be a little bit of trimming to go for, but that's basically what it's going to look like right there. Okay. Now we also, even though this came with the tremolo, we're not using it. We do have all the major components which will get installed, but I have fitted myself a tremolo block off kit which just fits right inside here, and this fits right inside here, and that locks the tremolo, effectively making this a hardtail. Oh, and yeah, we did get the fancy pickguard cover for the back also. And not all the, looks like not all the holes line up, huh? Okay. We'll see what we have to do there to get this one to fit. The one that came with the guitar, by the way, does fit. And with a little bit of fitting, we did get the guitar neck to fit. It was kind of sloppy from the factory. I did a little bit of shimming and things, and you can see I've just pushed the neck straight down. There's no bolts holding it in place, so it's a nice fit. I can pick up the guitar with the neck, and with just one hand I can easily remove it. So there we go. We've got a nice fit here. With that, I am going to assemble this and get going, and then the next installment will probably be playing the guitar. Any comments, please feel free to leave them here and leave your messages with the Backwards Professor. I hope you like what I have, and if you want to add anything, just go right ahead and leave me comments. I'd appreciate them. Thank you very much.